There are some things that never go out of style. This tabletop radio is one of them. Join me as we explore this timeless piece of tech. It's a vintage-inspired tabletop radio with some fantastic modern features like NFC, Bluetooth, and it also has fantastic audio quality. Who says radios can't be fun? This beauty is proof that a retro look can still rock your world. So here we go. Introducing the Sangean WR-16, a vintage-inspired beauty with exceptional sound quality. So this little guy made a long journey from North America in order to reach India. It took approximately 2 weeks to arrive, and please note that the warranty is not valid here in India. Alright. So this radio is a bit of a picky eater when it comes to electricity. It is used to the gentle 120 volts AC diet in North America, but our Indian 230 volts AC power is a bit too spicy for this radio. So plugging it straight in would be like giving it an electric shock. So you got to have 230 to 120 step down transformer in order to introduce it to our Indian electric world, or simply you can use the 12 volts 1 amp DC input socket. Alright, we have got the radio itself, a power cord, external FM antenna, user manual and a warranty card, which is pretty much useless in my case since I have imported this radio from North America and the warranty is only applicable to USA and Canada. Well, look at this stunning wooden cabinet. It's got a real retro feel to it. This thing is surprisingly heavy. It feels really solid and well built. This tabletop radio is a real beauty. It's one of the most elegant and stylish radios I have ever seen. I'm seriously impressed by the sound quality, design, and the craftsmanship is top notch. Let's start with the physical layout. Up front, you will find a green backlit dial indicator that's easy on your eyes, along with the indicators for FM, AM and Bluetooth. The 3-inch 8-ohm 6.5 watts full range speaker is what gives this radio rich and clear sound. For adjusting the audio, there is a smooth turning volume knob and a tactile power/band selector switch, and a smooth tuning knob with a green LED indicator that lights up when you have locked in a station. And for effortless pairing, this radio has NFC detection area at the top. The Sangean WR-16 features Bluetooth version 4.1 connectivity and can memorize up to 2 paired Bluetooth source devices. Once the memory limit is reached, the earliest paired device will be overwritten. At the rear, you will find an external internal antenna switch, 3.5mm aux-in jack, 3.5mm record out jack, 3.5mm stereo headphone jack. Well, that's a lot of 3.5mm jacks, right? Well, moving on, we have 12 volts 1 amp DC input socket, F-type external FM antenna terminal, 5 volts 1 amp USB port for charging your phone, external AM antenna terminal which is only available for US models, base port with insect-proof mesh, 120 volts AC power cord socket, and don't even think about plugging this radio into our Indian 230 volts AC socket, or else it will go poof like a bad magic trick. So better I will be sticking to the 12 volts DC input. The Sangean WR-16 utilizes the Silicon Labs SI4831 digital signal processor. Overall, the SI4831 digital signal processor chip is a solid choice for many radio applications, offering a good balance of performance, features, and power efficiency. Talking about the AM and FM bands, the AM and FM bands operate on the standard frequency ranges. AM utilizes frequencies between 530 to 1700 kilocycles and the FM employs frequencies between 88 to 108 megacycles. Alright, let's see how this radio sounds like. Grab your headphones and let's test it out in AM, FM, Bluetooth and aux input modes.
ಕರೆನ ಇವತ್ತ ರೇಡಿಯೋದೊಳಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅಂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗ ಸಣ್ಣದಾರ ಮಾಸ್ತರ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಇದ್ರು, ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನೋಡು ಶರಣಪ್ಪ, ನೀನು ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಕೇಳು, ನಿಂದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಏನಾರ ಚಲೋ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಾರ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀನು ಅಂದ್ರ ನಿಂದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಚಲೋ ಆಕತ್ತಂತ. ನಾನು ಕರೆನ ಹಂಗ ಆತದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತ ನೀ ಹೊಲದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ, ಮೊದಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅಂದಾಜ್ ತಗೋ, ಏನಾಗೋದು ಪಟ್ಟಿ ತಗೋ.
By the way, this radio can be used as an external speaker as well. Most of the time, I'll be using this radio as an external speaker while listening to my software-defined radio because it offers clearer sound compared to other options. The Sangean WR-16 is generally praised for its audio quality. The radio produces a surprisingly rich and full sound with a decent amount of bass and good overall clarity, all thanks to its full-range speaker. Even at the higher volumes, the radio delivers clear and detailed sound while maintaining low distortion levels, ensuring a clean and enjoyable listening experience. Some users have noted that the sound can be slightly bass-heavy, which may not be everyone's taste. Personally, I appreciate the extra bass, but it can be toned down by repositioning the radio. Overall, the Sangean WR-16 offers impressive audio quality for its size and price range. It's a great choice for those who want a tabletop radio that can deliver a very satisfying listening experience. So the Sangean WR-16 is a fantastic radio that blends vintage aesthetics with modern technology. It's perfect for anyone who loves classic radio design and high quality sound. While taking the advantage of 25% Halloween discount, I purchased this radio for $120 or 11,000 Indian rupees. Of course, I still had to pay for shipping and import duties. But later on, I discovered that Sangean WR-16 special edition model was available for only $100 from UAE with cheaper shipping options. Well, unfortunately it was too late as the package had already made its way to India and was sitting at my local DHL facility. I hope this unboxing and review of the Sangean WR-16 has been helpful. It's a truly beautiful and capable radio that I highly recommend. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.